The Moon's Lost Melody. On a quiet summer night, Gravriel stood on the hill near his home, his favorite wooden recorder in hand. The meadow stretched out before him, bathed in the soft silver light of the moon. But tonight, something felt different. Gravriel squinted at the sky, puzzled. The moon, which usually shone so brightly, looked dim and tired, as if it had lost its glow.
What happened to the moonlight? This has never happened before.
A gentle breeze swept through the grass, carrying a soft, almost musical whisper.
The moon has lost its melody.
Gravriel's heart skipped a beat. He looked around but saw no one. The stars above seemed to twinkle in agreement, their light faint and flickering. Then, a small star-like beings descended from the sky, their golden light casting dancing shadows on the meadow. They hovered near Gravriel, their delicate forms shimmering like candlelight.
Who are you?
I am the star guide. The moon has lost its melody, Gravriel. Without it, the night cannot shine, and the world will lose its balance.
But I'm just a boy. How can I help?
You have a gift, Gravriel. Your music comes from the heart, and only a melody born of love can restore the moon's song. Will you help us?
Gravriel hesitated. He thought of his grandmother, who had taught him the special tune he always played when he missed her. With a determined nod, he stepped forward.
Yes, I'll do it. What do I need to do?
Follow us. We'll guide you to the moon.
The star guides led Gravriel through the magical forest, where the trees seemed alive, their leaves glowing faintly with starlight. The air shimmered with energy, and Gravriel felt a growing sense of purpose.
Why does the moon need my melody?
The moon's light comes from its song. Without its melody, it cannot shine, and the stars cannot twinkle. Your music can restore its voice.
They climbed a winding path to a cliff overlooking the ocean. The moon hung low in the sky, its reflection wavering on the water, like a fading dream. Gravriel stood at the edge of the cliff, staring at the dim moon. The star guides formed a circle around him, their light pulsating gently, as if encouraging him.
Play from your heart, Gravriel. Let your love guide the melody.
Gravriel raised his flute. He closed his eyes, remembering the tune his grandmother had taught him, a simple, lilting melody filled with warmth and hope. As he began to play, the notes floated into the night air, weaving a tapestry of sound that wrapped around the moon like a comforting hug. The moon's light grew brighter with each note, its silvery beams spreading across the sky.
This is for you, moon.
The melody reached its crescendo, and the moon burst into brilliant light. Its beams illuminated the ocean, the forest, and the meadow far below.
Thank you, Gravriel. You've brought back my melody and restored the balance of the night.
You did it, Gravriel. The night is whole again.
It wasn't just me. It was the music, the stars, and my grandmother's love.
And so, Gravriel, the boy with the wooden flute, became the hero of the night, proving that even the smallest melodies can bring light to the darkest skies.